Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a memory planning for the week of 13th of January to 19th of January 2020. So it is my birthday week and we are using this beautiful full box sheet from Scribbles Print Co. I do not know the name of this kit, but it is absolutely gorgeous and that's what we're going to use. Of course it's pink because I like it. I will be using also a lot of Fox and Pip characters. So I have a lot of sheets here, so you're going to see that throughout the spread. And I pulled a lot of different icons all in gold foil to accent the spread. So I will quote the shops that I use throughout the plan with me, and I will also link everything down below. And if you have any questions about any of the things that you see on this plan with me, please leave a comment down below and I will make sure to reply to you at the best of my capabilities. So let's get started. Hi everyone, so first I'm showing you what we're going to use today, which is Simply Gilded washi along with the Coffee Monsters Co. washi. I always write with my Muji 0.5 black pen, and I also use that Tombow whiteout for my spreads, mostly up the sidebar. These printables, these inserts are from Sammie Printables, and if you are interested in the Tombow, you can find it on Amazon. So first of all, I start whiting out the lines on my sidebar. I tend not to use this sidebar as I used to, so I don't track anything because I have a separate session on my planner that I track my whatever I need to track, so I don't use my sidebar on that. So I write out the lines and then I lay down the washi to make a pretty tie up to the spread. At least that's my opinion. So I start this time with a Simply Gilded washi. It's a light pink with gold foil bows, and I thought it would complement the Scribbles Print Co kit very well. And I then was deciding, do I put the emoji washi first or do I put the other one first? So I was just trying to think how this would look good, and I think that the way I chose looked really nice. So both 15mm washi first, and then the 5mm washi from Simply Gilded as well. So the emoji washi has pink foil, and the I think Irene calls it icing, sugar icing or something like that. It's this little swirl washi with a white background and gold foil. So all of this spread has gold foil. Next I start doing the usual, which is the headers, if I have headers on the kit. Since this one didn't have headers, I only had the full boxes from a distache box that Andrea did. I used my Simply Gilded perforated pink washi with gold foil. Next to that, I start doing my jigsaw puzzle with the full boxes, and I decided to use the Happy Birthday Babe full box because the 13th, which was a Monday, was my birthday, and I thought it was fitting. So I start to lay down my full boxes, going up and down, or in the middle, or however I feel like it on that day. Most of the time I usually put my full box for the Monday on the middle because I like to put my Coffee Monday icons. But this time it was my birthday. It was the most important thing. So yes, that's what I did. I just put the full box right in front of it as if I needed any reminder that it was my birthday. Moving on, I really like this kit. It's a very, very pretty kit. And so usually I put the full boxes for the weekend in the middle because I think it breaks down my weekend in a way that satisfies me and that I like to see it. And I continue to just do um, the simply gilded washi, perforated washi as headers throughout the entire spread. I absolutely love these perforated washi. They are such a genius idea, and they make life so much easier, especially when you don't have, if you're only using the full boxes on a kit, that really makes it way easier to just decorate your spread. And she's coming up with new ones, so hopefully there will be more pink on it because I love pink. And I do that for every single full box because it just ties the spread properly, in my opinion. But what about you guys? What do you usually do? Do you actually use all of the headers on a kit? And if you only have full boxes, do you pull from your stash, or you just find something to use it, or you just go along and ignore it? You don't mind not having headers. Anyway, I decided to use as well the Sadie stickers date covers. I usually don't use date covers, but I wanted to go all in on this spread. And I had this freebie from Sadie Stickers. I actually got it on a Distash or Oops bag, and it's such a cute little sheet of stickers that I really wanted to use it at some point, and I think that was the perfect time to use it. And it was, I think it was from a freebie that she did for a sale or a Black Friday, something like that, but I got it on a grab bag, and I think it complemented the kit and the spread really well. Tell me what you think in the comments down below. I put down the date covers. If I'm using them, I start laying down all of the base of the spread, so quarter boxes, half boxes, icons, etc. So I'm using by Sharina Jane here with Fox and Pip icons. You see that I divide my work icons between 3 different shops. So I use Fox and Pip, as her laptop is just adorable. I also use the Graceful Planner in the clear gold foiled icon, and I use Panda Bird Designs. Her girl has this wonderful she has this wonderful sticker with a girl, and her laptop is gold, and it's just beautiful, and I love it, and I decided to use it, so I just mix and match. So I lay down my quarter boxes, and I do the work placement of icons and quarter boxes throughout the week, because that's the first order of business on my day. And after that, I just start laying down the rest of the stickers, which is a lot. But they are all beautiful, so that's what matters. So moving to the Monday, I know I wanted to put a quarter box because I'm memory planning, so everything has a place, and I like to do quarter boxes and icons. I'm using Harriet Wright Designs script for my birthday, and you can see that it's absolutely beautiful with that Fox and Pip cupcake. I really love it. And the Harriet design script for happy birthday I got from a grab bag as well. Then I go through whatever happened on that day, and I put down the icons. So on Monday I had Happy Mail. Here's another Graceful Planner scalloped corner icon. And for the script I'm using Sticky Sloth Designs, an upload script. Then moving on to Tuesday and Wednesday, I use the quarter box from Simply Watercolor Co. with the pretty washi on the side as a detail, and that after that I use another Graceful Planner little icon clear on clear paper to mark down that I wanted to do some grocery shopping. A quarter box from by Sharina Jane once again. Below I put down on the side I put down a Sadie sticker heart, and as well as a beautiful The Giving Girl scalloped corner deco sticker, and to cover that weird white space I just put down heart accent by the Arctic Paper Studio, which is an Australian shop. Moving to Wednesday, I decided to put down this beautiful cat sticker from Fox and Pip to mark down that I wanted to clean my litter trays, and a half box by Sharina Jane that I needed to mark down my nails, that I did my nail on that day. Next is a camera from Tasseled Planner to mark down that I wanted to take some pictures. And finally I put down an icon for bin night from the Graceful Planner once more. Moving on to Thursday and Friday, I use this half box by Simply Watercolor Co. and an icon below it from the Fox and Pip to mark down some happy mail that I needed to go to the post office. And after that, a quarter box by Sharina Jane, and then I put down a trolley icon by Fox and Pip to mark down that I wanted to do some grocery. I'm using also two clear icons by the Graceful Planner, one for tidy up the house on the Thursday and one for peel run on the Friday, along with a Tasseled Planner camera icon for pictures for my this day. And to complement the spread, a quarter box with an icon from Fox and Pip to mark down that I wanted to catch up on my planners, and a little cleaning sticker from Fox and Pip as well to mark down that I wanted to tidy up. And that's when I remembered to put down the nail icon from Tasseled Planner, because that's when I did my manicure. Moving on to Saturday, I put down a beautiful scallop by Panda Bird Designs, and I wanted it to be upload a haul on that day, so I just put down the script by Sticky Sloth Studio, and then I adjusted it with my writing afterwards. After that is another quarter box by Sharina Jane, and I used a Fox and Pip laundry icon to mark down that I wanted to do laundry on that day, and I think that the icon just looks absolutely perfect. It's small enough and it's cute enough, and I really love that icon. Then I go back to use the Graceful Planner icon for a video that I wanted to film, which is this plan with me. And as I'm prepping myself, I get cat bombed. So a quarter box from by Sharina Jane, because cats, and a little cleaning icon from Tasseled Planner. Next is a bow icon by Arctic Paper Studio, and then we move on to Sunday with a quarter box once more, and I think it really the spread tied up really well. Next I use a scalloped sticker by Panda Bird Designs with this script of plan, and I put all of the other stickers are by Fox and Pip to mark down laundry and some me time. And last, another Tasseled Planner sticker with a camera, because I needed to take some pictures for Instagram. That's it, everyone. That's the spread for this week of my birthday. So you have Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday here, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. I'm going to write everything down and I'll come back with you shortly. And that's it, everyone. This is my plan with me for my birthday week this year. I loved how this sidebar turned out. It's so cute. The munchkins are the emojis are adorable, and it looks absolutely beautiful. I'm really happy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get notifications when I post a new video. If you have any comments and feedback, please leave a comment down below, as well as let me know if you have any questions about anything that I've used on this spread and forgot to mention. And all of the shops should be included on the description of the video. So I hope you have a fantastic weekend and I hope you enjoy yourself. Be safe and I'll see you next time. Bye.